Hello, I'm C. I am answering to question number 3 on the final exam on the periodic table. Answer to question number 1. Periodic table is created in the order of arranging the elements by their increasing order of the atomic numbers and the groups, atoms with similar properties going in the same columns by how the elements are behaved. The elements were divided by 3 categories: metals, non-metals, and the metalloids. So the metals represents good conductors of heat and electricity. They are solids, and they are able to be hammered like into sheets. They're shiny. And then non-metals are more dull in color, poor conductors. They are pretty brittle where they can shatter into powder when it's broken. And it is elements, phases of solids or gases. And then the metalloids are shiny and physical, when you see physically. They are semiconductors, dependent of temperature, and sometimes conduct, sometimes don't. They are also really brittle, so they can be easily broken into powder. And then they are also solids. Answer to question number 2. The rows represents the periods, which are numbered 1 through 7, and the columns represents the groups number in order 1A through 8A. Answer to number 3. The elements in the same columns are grouped together because of the similar properties these elements behave. For example, A groups are alkaline metals, and consists elements of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium, and francium. They all have the properties of a soft, low density metals, easy to cut, and very reactive elements of the periodic table. Answer to question number 4. The importance of the assigned rows and columns represents some rules that you'll have to follow. For example, when you are looking for a element valence configuration, when you do that, you would need to know the rows can help determine like which block the element is in, and then when finding their valence electrons. And then the columns can help determine their charges when you are writing a chemical equation. Answer to number 5. In order to place the new element Km, it is important to know the atomic mass number, to know the property of this new element, how it behaves, in order to place it in the right location. Thank you.